Here's a quick review about the differences between hunting and gathering and the first farmers. To begin, let's imagine you lived in prehistoric times and were responsible for hunting and gathering for food. Imagine this is your setup. Here's you down here. And today you have to hunt and gather for all of your food. The other people as well have to do the same in order to get enough food. So you might go over, find something edible, and bring it back. And might go out again and search for food, looking around until you come across something. As you can see, this is going to take some time. You might try to find fish as well. And maybe you are able to get one and bring it back to the group. Meanwhile, the other members of your tribe are also hunting and gathering. They might even see something like a deer, but without the proper tools, it might be unlikely that they actually are able to bring it back. So you have some food for the day, but the next day you must all go out and do the same thing again. In farming, there's going to be a significant difference. Let's imagine you've begun farming. Here's you over here, and your tribe members. Your tribe members might still go out and find some food to bring back to the group. But they can do this knowing that the rest of the group is going to be farming. And they will bring back enough food for the whole day in one trip. And this other food is just going to be the extra. It might be the surplus for the day. Now, in a much shorter amount of time, you have acquired even more food, and you know exactly where to look to find tomorrow's food and food for the rest of the week. This means that eventually you're going to stay in one place for a longer period of time. You might domesticate animals to have on your farm. The people who don't have to go out and find food can spend time making better shelters. They can spend time making better clothing. And they can spend time making better tools, things like pottery and better hunting equipment. This is because you know you have a surplus of food to feed the entire community.